Me that home now. You hear me did reach home good while, but me not cook and so, you know?
I can't voice note it because the Wi-Fi not so strong, so I can't call. I can't voice note it if I some back. This I get when I talk to you now, antication. You want me post him, but let me know what you think about it.
This is your boyfriend? No man, this is one big man. And boy, in face hard to look on the KK. No post it. If you post him, block everybody. You can't just post him so. You have to go block everybody, then post him, man. He features strong. KK, you couldn't find one little, not even age, but one little fresh, little big man. You know what I mean? They were fresh looking. You understand? That one is not fresh KK, man. No, man. Me not see this. You understand? Me not pick for you, you know, but me not see this. You understand what I mean? All when you have money, KK, he looks too strong, man. Jaja. Auntie can't talk to you, KK. If you want to post him, yeah, man. Sure, you can't business with people. You understand? If that make you feel good, you post him. You don't business with nobody. You understand what I mean? But he not cute at all. But maybe he have good ways. You know some people like that? Yeah. One of them people
Pussy, I feel like I beg your bumble, suck good boy, suck pussy, suck good, lick up batty fish, long and bumble class short ears, big suck good batty, lick up front, cranny bumble, spatty foot, suck good boy. I feel like I beg you for do nothing, batty fish, suck your mama. I want to tell you if you not do you think, brother, and tell me batty boy, lick out front, batty fish.
Yo, bad man. Just get a text from Brittany and say a dog shit, bad man. How that for that?
I just to me tell him, say, yo, remember JPS me working and why me deal with garbage, you know. Girl tell me about him want last week and 8+ him birthday. Me say, why you not tell me say you want a mattress that you can dash your sister piece up sponge when well and niece and never then piss out and then it pass down to you.
Dunce people in Jamaica been
class.
like.
Me ask one question. Like if you eat ackee and saltfish, you go to your trachea before you go to your lungs and then it digest.
Your trachea and your lungs are your respiratory system. Food no go there, so you chew it, go to your esophagus, and then you got your stomach. Then what sort of gastric, blah 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 for one, and then what for got small intestine, then large intestine, colon.
That's why I know I'm confident in myself, Tanika. Watch you know, I know say go to your trachea and then you go to your lungs. I'm gonna put that on paper, on my test paper, and the rest of them put full in. So I know I get it.
Daddy, we need to give mommy money so she buy some snack for it. Cause tonight you got stress her out again, make she carry her coat again. Well, I know she got carry her coat this time on me. Cause you're supposed to carry money from whole win. And you can't carry already. I left her if you go for work and wait till and wait your dick so long can't come.
Listen, it's better you just chill, you see me? Cause mobile alive, you see me? Then I enjoy myself. Make sure you enjoy yourself too. Can't know me love you already, baby. Just enjoy yourself. You know it go? Alive. You see people are dead often every day. Not true. People dead every day, you know. People are dead while we are enjoy ourselves, you know. True? Yeah, not true. People dead every second of the day. So when you have life, you enjoy it to the fullest. You enjoy your life. Just live your life, no? Baby, I'm gonna tell you something. I will text you when I'm better, okay?
Boy, girl, let me tell you, bumbo class something. I ramp my blood clot there. I can make a man come shoot in your pussy clot in a girl. I ramp my fucking youth, you know. Hey, girl, I'm going to put the ramp my bumbo clot pit in a girl. I come here and make a man. Hey, girl, I ramp me, you know, no man in a bumbo hole, eh. Hey, girl. Alright, watch me your blood clot. If you say the man come page your big pussy girl, I know you amp it. Hey girl, you amp me, you know. My bum buckle, you make your pussy with batty man and beat them page for better. You make them beat up a bum buckle better. Watch me, I'm come blood clot.
Whosoever in the blood clot group I got talk about say but bleaching and blood clot country. Yes, me that blood clot country. Yeah, me that country. Do not say Elizabeth. Who the bomber blood clot I walk fast and my pussy clot business for. I fast and my blood clot business for. Who have anything on blood clot? Give me no take suck up my bomber clot and leave me alone. Whosoever in the blood clot group I talk about blood clot me not have no me have some. No give me pussy clot also live in a junk or crowded people them. Only leave me bomber clot them alone. I don't want nobody come up on my blood clot name and I'm gonna talk about me have house. You don't give me blood clot house we live in a. You see me a blood clot work I work. Me a look work and I can't get that blood clot work and my friend just help me out to come a country come safe for the time being. Then me get one work and someone to live with a pussy bomber blood clot who not take set for me for. With the blood clot who not take set for me. So I not come there with my body wall, all the shit them out and my body wall, keep out the shit them out.
Grandma, good night. Well, go on. You know, so don't me meet that girl, yeah. A call center doing like her and things, so I just want you get to know her or something, you see me? So tell me how she look, you like how she look and thing.
This a picture look like you take it off the internet. Or you take it off in WhatsApp profile with the mouth open wide. I show you how him mouth shape fit take the hood in it. You see how him mouth set? A hood mouth that, you know? Blood club. Look how him neck long. Can't swallow it like a when Garlene and swallow one whole of fish.
Thomas, I want to ask you a question. Good morning, Pastor Thomas. This is Deacon West from Apostle Sinai, live in America. Me same one. The one who caught the judgment pan, the one don't have something there. Let me ask you something this morning. You get a stall from the bishop. What you waiting for? Supermarket? You want supermarket? So as of your pussy one good. That you get stall and you are wait from supermarket. To get from the bishop, you say you come up as a Sinai for fuck down and mash up a church. That's what you come to do. As I look up to you when I just hear you come to Apostle Sinai, I said you're a woman of integrity and look like you're somebody. But to find out now that you're a bitch. Because you come to the church and you realize that the bishop and Pastor Shah have children to have a child together, and you come in with the other pastor lady, and you come in at the church, and Pastor Thomas, you really got there with Bishop Dennis Messias. So you are so low and so classless that you come in at the church and you put one in your forehead as a big woman. Uno a big people in a church and uno carry no pussy in a forehead. Uno pussy no have no condition. I went want shampoo, and then the shampoo you want. You married how much time and for your pussy can't hold no man. As I say walk around and take every man where you can get. Una big woman, 4 times you want married, and you come down at Dennis Messiah, you want come roll up in your bind the pussy. I saw you one wicked and bad woman. And she and that Jamaica to blood clot for deal with you know. So I don't want to hear people, I don't want people here when I'm going with the church. The big pastor woman. You get tall and you want blood clot supermarket with drive through. Eh? You come down there, your friend with Bishop with Pastor Shah and you did that techie man at the same time. And you have a friend in a church. You have to stop it, man, you're not too low. You know, like with a big woman and a blood clot all sagara. You know, walk with no pussy and fuck everyone you go.
Batty man boy. If me even not take Bishop, me not take another woman. And me not take Bishop. Cause suck your mama dirty boy. Batty man. Man a play up in your shit pit. Man a play up in your shit pit. Now man a play up with me. I'm not there with Messiahs. One time I married dirty boy. Dirty hole boy. When man a play up in your shit pit. I mean not take Dennis, I mean not tap go March Pen Road. Anytime you come on March Pen Road, you go come see me. Me not tap go down there. All I know we are surrogate up on the top about me and Dennis.